Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about a life-changing book named Man's Search for Meaning written by Viktor Frankl. Just imagine someone loses his family, home, career in a single day. This was exactly happened to Dr. Viktor Frankl, who was trapped in a Nazi concentration camp during World War II. But instead of just surviving or get scared like other people, he was trying to find out why some people were easily giving up. On the other hand, some were finding strength to keep going on. And he came to conclusion people who didn't have any purpose were dying very soon, despite of being very healthy. On the other hand, people who had hope, purpose were living even without food or medicine. In short, if you have any purpose of life, then you can face any painful situation of life. During a Nazi concentration camp, guards did so much exploitation of people. One day, Viktor Frankl was freezing in cold and working like a forced labor. Suddenly he looked at a sky and saw a beautiful sunset. Then he realized, despite of so much darkness, world is still very beautiful. And he thought gods have power to do exploitation of his body, but they could never have power to take away his inner freedom to choose joy and hope during suffering. So choosing joy and hope during suffering is your ultimate freedom. For example, exams are difficult, create panic, leads to poor performance. You can change your attitude by thinking, no doubt, exams are difficult, but this is opportunity to prove my potential, to prove my worth. In this book, Viktor Frankl suggested a unique way to find purpose of your life. You can find your purpose through your work. Being as a student, don't just study for grades. Instead of this, think how I can contribute in whole society. For example, how I can make financial management better so that it can help entrepreneur to optimize their business. You can find purpose of life through love and connection. According to Viktor Frankl, definition of love is very unique. According to him, help your loved one to discover their true potential. For example, your loved one is struggling, depressed, and doubting on their own ability. They feel like they have nothing to offer. Then you help them to discover their true potential. This is ultimate meaning of love. As I told you, Viktor Frankl suggested a unique way of finding purpose. According to him, you can find purpose by changing your attitude during a suffering. For example, you failed or very low score in exam. Victim mindset, I am failure, this is end. But mindset, according to Viktor Frankl, this failure is just a data. It shows me where I need to improve my strategy, and I will improve my strategy and definitely win. And this is your purpose. Most people think what they can receive from life, but according to Viktor Frankl, just think what you can give to life, what you can serve to life. So ask yourself, who needs my kindness? What task need my full attention? What problem need my skill to solve? Serve life through your professional skill, through your presence, through your responsibility. Most importantly, serve life by choosing grace in difficulty. So this is all about summary of life changing book. I think you must apply this book in your life and by take care.